Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I regularly do live stream videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And during that live stream, people can join in and chat along and ask questions and interact with the other people that are watching the live stream. And one of the features that is available on a live stream that is public is the ability to super chat. And this actually came up on my last chat or last live stream that I was having. Someone asked me, what the heck is a super chat and how do I do it? So what a super chat is a spot and on the chat where you can send a donation to the creator that's doing the live stream. So I do live streams on my channel, and there's a ton of other creators on YouTube that do live streams. And it's just a way of you showing them that you appreciate their content and like their channel and what it does. And we'll jump in and we'll show this on how to do it on your phone. But what it does is it actually puts your chat to the top of the chat and does highlight it. And depending on the dollar amount, it will actually stay posted for a certain amount of time. So let's jump into the phone and we'll show you how to actually send a super chat on a live stream.
So to access the super chat, you will have to go to a live stream currently in progress or posted to be going live. And in that screen, you will see on the bottom, there's a button with a little dollar sign. It actually lets you select to give out your super chat. Now there's different dollar amounts from $2 all the way up to $500. And it does show up in your local currency. And what it will do, the higher the dollar amount that you donate as a super chat, the longer your message will be posted to the top of the chat in the live chat screen. Now, in order to super chat, you do have to pay with your credit card, and that's just a matter of pushing buy and it will pop up. It doesn't show in the recording here because of security, but you will be able to enter your credit card number and then hit buy to send a super chat to your favorite creator.
All right, hopefully you found that demonstration useful. On this channel, I do live streams every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so it would be great to have you along and join in. Super chats are not required. It's just fun to have everybody there chatting, asking questions, and learning how to cook on the show. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 o'clock Mountain Time. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, but also hit that notification so you do get notified when I do go live, because I do sometimes do spontaneous live throughout the days as well. It'd be great to have you on, and don't forget, like the video, and until my next video, you can check out these ones. Thanks a lot.